This project goes with the story Remarkably You by Miller. And the first thing that you're going to need to do is make a circle out of paper. Now I have a piece of green construction paper here. You can use whatever you have available to you at home. So just regular white copy paper. If the only thing you have is lined paper, that's fine too. Just whatever paper you have available. And then use a plate or a lid or some other circular object to trace and make it as large as you can fit on the paper. So the first thing you need to do then is trace a circle. And always when you're using paper and going to cut out, try to get as close to the edges as you can. That way you save a larger scrap that you might be able to use for something else. So I am going to trace around this lid. If you're having trouble with this, maybe someone can hold the lid for you while you trace. And you can see then that I have my circle traced. Then what you're going to do is cut that circle out. After you cut the circle out, you want to fold it into fourths. And to fold it into fourths, that means you need to fold it in half 2 times. So first of all, you're going to fold it in half like a taco. Line it up as neatly as you can and crease it. And you do want to make a nice crease because you're going to be cutting on the line, and a nice crease makes it easier to see. Then you open it and fold it like a taco the other way. Now you have it divided into 4 equal pieces, which means it's divided into quarters. Then you're going to take your scissors and as neatly as possible, cut on those folds. So now I have 4 pieces of my circle, and you really only need 1 to start with, so I'm going to set the others aside. On this side I can still see a little bit of pencil, so I'm going to flip it over, and I'm going to decorate now the nicer side. And I'm going to put a piece of paper towel under myself so that if I color off the edges, it doesn't hurt anything. Okay. So now my job is to decorate this however I would like. I'm going to stop this here, and I'd like you to get to this point and then go on to the second video.